started. Hey guys, welcome back. I know it's been quite a while since I've done a video. And today we're going to be doing these fun fridge magnets. We're going to do two. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. I know what I'm going to do for one, but I don't know about the other one. I already did one. Here, I'm going to show you. It's Dobby from Harry Potter because I love Harry Potter. I was just testing it out. It doesn't look the greatest, but it looks okay. So in here we have some feathers, I guess, that you can glue on. We got a few little paints here. Instructions. We got the magnet. We got some eyes, googly eyes here. And now I think it's just the magnets. Oh, forgot the paintbrush. Okay. Now you kind of have to be careful with these because they're like, you're gonna fall out here. We have the magnets here. Okay. We have a couple different shapes. We have a square one. We have a square. We have some hearts. We have a circle, and that's about it. We have just these shapes. They're like ceramic type. They're ceramic tiles. So yeah. So we have those. Now, to get started painting, I'm gonna do a square one. I'm gonna do a square one, and I'm still debating between the heart and the circle. I don't know what to do. So let's get started. So to get started, we are drawing a circle. Just kidding, it's gonna be a face. Now I'm trying to do the hair. It doesn't look very good right now. Once I get the bangs on it, it'll look better. I promise. I'm gonna try and see if you guys can guess who this is before I finish. So here I go, I'm making the bangs. I'm not very good, and this pencil was doing it very dark, so was not helpful at all. And I kept swiping, and it kept like spreading and stuff, so you know. So here I go, making his glasses and his scar. And if you haven't guessed it yet, this is Harry Potter. Because, you know, Dobby needs a friend on the fridge. So, I'm going to paint him. His hair, I wanted to paint black. And I painted his glasses black. And I wanted to do his skin before I did anything else. So here I'm trying to mix up his skin color. I couldn't figure out what to do because I was trying to make like a light orange to do it, but that wasn't going very well, so I had to add some different colors. I added some green in there to make it a little like darker to like tone it. It was kind of darker, but I ran out of white, so I had to use what I had. I was questioning at first when I started putting it on. But you know, it looks good in the end. So now I am touching stuff up and finishing the details on his face. I did his eyes green, because in the book it's always saying how he has his mom's eyes, and his mom's eyes are green. His scar, actually, fun fact here, his scar is in the shape of the Avada Kedavra wand movement. It's kind of in that lightning shape. It's kind of cool. I just learned about that. So the background here, I'm doing Gryffindor colors in like a striped movement. They were not very straight at all, if you could tell. Kind of looks like basketball. So I decided to do the heart and do 3 things that I love to do in them. So I did a Harry Potter book because I love to read Harry Potter. I drew a camper because I love camping. And I love baking, so I was attempting to draw a cupcake here. Couldn't get it, so I started with the frosting, then did the cupcake and then the liner. And I noticed it was kind of big next to the book and the camper, so I erased them and drew them bigger so they'd kind of match the cupcake. And then to paint, I was going to do the camper white, but then noticed I was out of white, so I did it blue. But I kind of like it now. It looks good. I did the window yellow, so it looked like there was a light on in it. And I just left the door white with a black outline. And then I didn't know what to do for the Harry Potter book, so I just painted it red and the lettering black. For the cupcake, I was trying to do a vanilla cupcake, so I did it yellow. It did not really look like a vanilla cupcake, but I just left it because, yeah, I was doing a strawberry frosting. It is very pink. And I did the liner green because I wanted to do this magenta color for the outline. And I didn't know what other color to use, so I used green. I missed some spots here on this heart one. But, you know, so now back to Harry. We are finishing the painting over the back to get the colors right. I was kind of worried that everything was going to be like not straight at all. And I was right. They're all curved. All these lines are curvy. How wonderful. And then this third line here went a little close to that second one, the reds, and made that third yellow one a little thin, but you know, it looks okay. I still like it. I filled in the yellow, and as I'm filling in the edges here, I had laid it down. Wet paint, and I laid it down so it had a little bit of pencil shavings. This one took me a little while because the brush is kind of small. And I didn't want to get a big brush, so yeah. And so here I finished. So we finished painting, and I already put on the magnets. So here are the finished products. Here is Harry. I really like this one, except for the background. Background's not my favorite. I could have probably done a little better, but other than that, I really like this one. And the heart-shaped one. I really like this one, except for the cupcake. The cupcake could be a little better. But other than that, I really like this one. So yeah, there they are. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Press that like button if you did. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!